If you want some huge news, there it is. That guy, Cooper Webb, will be dropping down to the MX2 class to race the MX of Nations, taking the place of Chance Hymas, who has an injured knee and will end up going under surgery. So this is big. I mean, obviously, you kind of have the thing of why he can go, but not Deegan, where Deegan said that Monster Energy or Yamaha didn't want him to go. But whatever, that's not here nor there. This is the first time that Cooper Webb has raced the MX Nation since 2016, where the team finished runners up. And his quote from this is, quote, "I'm so excited to be headed to MXON. It's a fire drill situation and decision, but I'm extremely grateful for the opportunity. I was asked to ride a 250, so I spun some laps on Hayden's bike and remembered how good the YZ250F is. I haven't raced one since 2016. But I felt right at home with the laps that I did. I'll be all in on 250 prep after Vegas SMX, and I'm excited for the opportunity to represent my country. Let's do this." Now this is big. I mean, when you consider you've got Plessinger and Sexton and now Webb, this is a pretty solid team. I mean, for overall, you've got two champions and Plessinger, who's Mr. America. So for all intents and purposes, this is a big thing. Jim Roach, the Yamaha Racing Department Manager for YMUS, said, quote, "It's exciting that Cooper Webb will be representing the USA and Yamaha Racing at the Motocross of Nations this year aboard the YZ250F. Cooper has raced MX of Nation before, and his experience will be beneficial to Team USA." And it is. I mean, obviously, he's going to be dropping down the class to race against the younger guys, so he should have knock on wood, he should be pretty competitive in this class. It's going to be dependent on how healthy he is with that thumb, how well he feels on the 250, if he can get enough time to be really in tune with it. But either way, this is big news. I think he'll do great, and you got to say this is one pretty solid team now. Whether you like Hymas or not, whether you thought he was going to do good, if you put a motocross and supercross champion on a 250, this is going to be big. And who knows? Kind of depends on, like I said, why Yamaha will send him but not Deegan. Obviously that's one thing or another, whether you like him or not, what side you believe of it. But that's it. Tell me in the comments below, what do you think of this? What do you think of the Deegan side of things? What do you think of Hymas? What do you think of, how well Cooper's or Webb's going to do down on the 250s? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.